Hi everyone,
Hi.
it's Taylor,
Ashley.
We wanted to make a video.
She's still eating her pizza.
I had another piece. She's drinking cream soda. Cream soda. And we still got our animal hats on.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah. Anyways, I want to finish my pizza.
Okay.
I like eating, especially pizza.
Did you hear that?
What was that?
I don't know.
My grandparents are probably down there making some noise.
Yep.
That goes again. I'm gonna go check downstairs.
Okay.
Right back. Oh my gosh, it's Buffy. She was making the noises. Come here, Buffy.
I didn't even know that.
Buffy, get over here. Come on, Buffy. Come on. Oh, Buffy.
It's my dog Buffy.
Go, puppy. Come here. Look at the camera again. Hey, that was your friend. Are you serious? You were scaring us. You were making all these noises. Oh my God! She ate your pizza. She ate my pizza. And then she just leaves. Really? Okay.
Hope you weren't hungry.
Okay. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Randomness.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.